Hello guys, welcome to Make Easy. And today we are talking about a datasets that you can also download. You can download datasets from scrollfields.com. So now today we're talking about BBC News dataset, and which is having more than 1.1 million records, and it included 13 fields. So 13 fields like tags, title, news post, date, content, raw content, author, URL, short description, region, category, and all. And the format of the dataset is JSON, and the price they're offering for this dataset is for $210. So if you apply from this YouTube channel, you can download it for 30% discount. Thank you guys. If you need any data set, so contact scrollfields.com. Thank you.